The outlet of this pond, we just fixed the outlet, and there wasn't any problem or issue with it. But as we keep adding water, and then the fish pond, it was expanding, and usually that's the behavior of tarpaulin pond, especially when the pond is big and the tarpaulin is not durable. So as it was expanding, then the outlets expanded and the water started leaking. So now we are going to mend it. So we are going to remove the outlets and then take you through how to mend a tarpaulin fish pond. So you copy and paste. So when your tarpaulin is leaking, either from the outlet or wherever, you will know what to do or how to mend that tarpaulin pond. So please stay and keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Thank you.
He's over there. See.
Still working in the night. That is the hustling. Yes. Fish farming is not that easy. So we are mending the tarpaulin pond, as you can see. Yes, working in the night.
Yumnani. Yumnani. Yumna. Don't want. You can't go there.
This is actually mix them.
Mix them from. Not the back.
Yeah, we are mending the tarpaulin. Yeah. Yes, and all that. Mend the tarpaulin. Mixing all that. I see the fish. They're still working in the night. Don't go to one by. I don't go to one by. So they don't know the mama. They don't know. Ntabasha meha. Mending the tarpaulin. Is it dry? Or doesn't matter? Yeah, it doesn't feel water. What are you doing? Oi. You have to do it carefully. Otherwise, it will move again. There's water. If there's any small leakage, it will find its way out. So you can easily use that, clean the place, cut part of the tarpaulin and put it on using the other that. But if it's too big, you can use needle and thread, sew it. Yeah, careful. Vamos a com um pouco isso. So missing the aragat again. So we do it both inside and outside. And the fish are enjoying themselves. As you can see. They are not aware that we are hot here. They are not aware we are hot here. So, it's okay, it's okay. And you are pushing it to where he's doing it. You can remove it again. So this is okay. So you wait small for it to dry before the water gets in there. Let it get dry. So now we put the outside one. This is the outside. That's an oil. You clean. I told you we are working in the night, so you clean it. You clean it to remove all the dust so that it can support and hold well. So you clean it to remove the dust.
Where's the other letter?
So you see the crack down there. You put the measurement. Put the measurement. You see measure. Then before put the another. You just it's too big. You just cut it one out. You do that as just clean it well. You do it also. Bring it another. So it makes two. Where's the other one? So you put these two together and you mix it. As you can see, don't stir. You stir. Then you put it at where. Yeah. Yeah. Put it in well. Put it in well. Ay, o phone ya instead of.
Mueve. No entiendo. No es.
So you put the other Dutch on the letter. And stay. And stir it. So put it on the leather that you're going to put on the phone properly. You just cut out of the top one. You make sure that you wrap it cross or just this. Ina za nan wa diti no na kwan sama da biyan ne ta be da ban da ta be. An kuto de la oh no I put it in there. Let me zoom so I can see it better. So just cut the top part of the tarpaulin. We are using it. You need to make sure. So you can use the other touch. Set well. Make sure that it is well made. Zoom in so you can see exactly what we are doing. You need to give it some time to dry.
Whatever happened next? Ayo.
Depending on the intensity of the hole or the leakage, you may just put it at the inside or the outside once and that's it. But this one, the hole is too big. So to ensure effectiveness, that's why we put it inside and outside again, just for the two to support each other. No, you're Azuela. 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 Six back another mama. Six back. Kada nkwa hata. Kada tana da nawa. Akatin ya. Is it still green? So we'll let it dry. Then we see. That's it. Thank you for watching. This is how to amend Tarpaulin on when it is leaking. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Thank you.